Good night. Hello. My name is Jamie Briñez Montoya. I have 33 years old. I have two beautiful daughters. I live with my husband. We live in the city of Honda, Tolima, more called as the city of the bridges. It is a colonial city with a lot of history. I am in fourth semester of the administration in health. I am very happy to study this career and I hope to be able to practice it with great success. I invite you to know this beautiful city of also called the city of bridges. This Tolimense city has preserved and restored its colonial and republic architecture of the if my activities is tourism because of the is located back of the Magdalena rivers. We can carry out various water activity and test different DH based first preparation. This is the church of Our Lady of the Rosario, the market city, the hospital, and of the 44 bridges that Honda has the Navarro bridges. Their typical foods are the suckling pig, the tamal, different kinds of fish enrich the gastronomic experience of travel in the Honda and in surround. A course to visit us, we will be happy to accept you. Bye bye.